What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and today we're doing a quick market review on Disney, DIS. This was an alert that we put out on Sunday evening, and I was mentioning it to everybody in the community to watch out for Disney going into the week, as in this week, and on Monday it broke out. Tuesday and Wednesday it followed through, and it's getting a little weak towards the top, but we're just shy of hitting our first target. It's been a great trade so far. This is an option-based trade. I mentioned in the actual alert that went out, to our community to look at a variety of different options, and essentially what we were looking at was a 111, call it 112 breakout. That was our trigger point right through there. We were also looking at a primary target of 117. So you're talking about a 5-point move roughly that is almost committed to that point. So we're still looking at going a little bit higher. And if that primary target of 117.75, let's call it, breaks out and moves forward, you could see some nice movement in those options. So to everybody in the community that got into Disney, trading some options. So far, so good, doing very well. It's been 3 very prosperous days. The volume is there, the momentum is there, and again, the setup was nice. A play like Disney, when it comes up, this is just one of those stocks that you want to trade. You can't really go wrong on a short-term swing trade with Disney. You can see over the last little while, we have had this massive sort of turn for the better. You can see the nice rounded bottom, and it's almost shaping up to be, from here, a cup and handle. Very bullish play. It's coming off a massive double bottom, and as of February into August into mid-September, and up into today, again, we're looking at a cup and handle pattern, and this does have a lot of opportunity still to the upside, and so our community has been trading this, and we're looking to hold long for the next little while, especially when we get over that 117 mark. If you have any questions about this Disney trade, by all means email me. My email address is actually in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn those notifications on because we're constantly putting out new content for you guys. And if you want to get insight as to how to get involved with the alerts, there is a button just below. Click that link and get involved with the trade alerts that we're putting out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.